Hello, fam. A quick one with mom of things today. See, do you want your teenagers to be mentally strong and mentally stable? Why I'm saying it is this: if you look at what is happening to our teenagers now, we notice that almost everything they do, their parents are always involved. Yes, even up to reasoning, washing of clothes, washing of undies, everything. Reasoning, as in just to reason small thing, you will see that you are the one telling the child what to do. These things are not mentally stable or mentally strong. But if you want your things to be mentally strong or mentally stable, please leave them to reason on their own. Let them handle things on their own. Please stop involving them with ASEP. Your things are old enough to do things on their own. Let them reason. After reasoning, then when they bring the solution, you as parents cannot chip in your own. Make sure they are the one that do it first before you come, not you before them. Thank you.